everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout, and I have that line of washi tape there, and it's a rainbow of washi tape. I'll show you in a little bit later what inspired me to use that particular arrangement of the washi tape. So I just went to my washi tape stash, pulled these out, and grabbed a piece of basil cardstock and went to work. So this video is actually for my product placement series with Rachel Reynolds. It's where we take one scrapbooking product and we use it on a layout to either give you new ideas or show you how you can use a lot, whatever this is. And in this particular case, I wanted to show you how you could use a lot of washi tape. So if you wanted to use up a roll or do something like that, you could do a whole background in one color or just a couple of colors. Now you just saw there that washi tape was kind of a mess. It had all sorts of wrinkles in it, and I didn't want to use it on this because I needed a line of it, whereas if I was just putting little bits and pieces, that would be great. You know, I could have used it. So the washi tapes I'm using are from a variety of manufacturers, from Bella Boulevard, Doodlebug, The Paper Studio, which is Hobby Lobby, Recollections, which is Michael's, Martha Stewart, Freckled Fawn, and KI Memories. So if you have a specific question about a specific one, just put a message in the comments and I'll try to give you what it actually is. I know what most of these are, but not all of them. So don't forget, by the way, to go to look up Rachel's video to see how she used washi tape, and I'll put the link to her video in the comments to mine. All right, so I've got the blue here, and now I'm using this little blue, and it's one of my favorites, but there was this, I didn't realize this, it was the end of the roll, and the tape was all wonky at the end of the roll. So guess what? I used up a roll of washi tape. Hooray! All right, so now I'm on to aqua. So I went red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and aqua. It's not really, let me think. It's kind of Roy G. Biv, I guess, now that I think about it. So it's red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. And then I added aqua instead of indigo there. I don't have a ton of purple washi tape. I could have used it, but this is a boy layout, so I didn't really want to do purple anyway. And I obviously don't have pink on there either. So I'll show you in, like I said, in my next clip. All right, so here's the next clip. After the background's all done, it is curling slightly, so I'll put it under something heavy. And this is the card from Simple Stories, Little Dude, that inspired the colors that I used. So, you know, pull your inspiration from somewhere and do that, because that made me choosing my washi really easy. Now I want to back the photo with something to set it off, to give it a border from all the washi tape around it. I liked the blue, but I don't know, it felt like it stood out too much. This yellow feels like it disappears across the yellow. Let's see, I have some red. I just went and pulled some colors just to see what I would like. And I didn't like how that kind of disappears up into the red. So I pulled some black as well, thinking maybe that would work. And I liked this one, but in real life it was a little gray looking to me. Like it wasn't impactful enough. Now this black polka dot I also liked very much, so I could have used the black polka dot. And then I also tried this black star paper, and I really like this one. So that's going to be my winner. That black star paper is from Bella Boulevard, Oh My Stars. It's the Oreo scallop stars. So I just went and cut that. And I didn't put the photo on straight, so I'm having to readjust that. So now this black has given me some ideas to use black embellishments here. Also driven by a particular card there. That's another reason I thought of the black, because I have a card that I'm going to put on here eventually. Now, I want my title to be the title that my daughter-in-law used when she posted this photo to Facebook. So the photo that she posted to Facebook was Boy Cave, Clothing Optional. So this is my middle grandchild right now, my grandson who is 2 here. And you know how little kids are, they don't love to wear clothes all the time. And he built a fort and decided he wasn't wearing any clothing. And this was in October, so it wasn't like it was hot like it would be in the summer. So I'm using my wax paper there to get this title down and to make it easier for me to figure out how to position it. That first alphabet that I used is a felt alphabet. It's an oldie but goodie. It's from American Crafts. It's the Thicker's Pajamas alphabet. I don't know how old it is. It's really old, guys. I used 2 things on here that were very old. The really sad part about that alphabet is I've had it forever and I'd never used it. And it's a great alphabet, so I'm not quite sure why that is. Maybe, I think the size is pretty big, and maybe that's what it is. It's so bold. But with a longer title like this, I think it works great. So this is one of the reasons I love wax paper, because now I can cut this apart and move it around a little bit easier. And I'm going to start putting this down, but I'm not going to make you watch the whole thing here. So through the magic of editing, there my title is on and done. This is the card that I told you inspired this kind of. So that card, that little man card there, is from the Simple Stories Little Dude 2x2 Elements sheet, and it's a cut apart sheet. And then these 2 journaling spots, these circle journaling spots, the one that says today and then the one up under the little man card, are both from Little Yellow Bicycle, the journal tablet, the everyday tablet, which, you guys, I don't even know, I can't even tell you how old that thing is. I bet, and I'm serious about this, I bet it's over 10 years old now. I looked for a date on it and it didn't have one, but I'm pretty sure I know where I was living when I bought it. And yeah, it was a while ago. So when I pulled that little man card, I thought, well, I could use black to accent this, and that's not appearing in the washi tape. So I thought that would be awesome. And it really does help everything stand out using the black. I added that puffy sticker there that says "Play Hard, Kiddo," and that puffy sticker is from the Simple Stories Little Dude puffy stickers. And then I grabbed that Boys Only sticker. That's from the Little Dude 4x6 sticker pack. And I'm just kind of playing with some more puffy stickers to see if there's anything else I want to put on there. And then I went to the combo cardstock stickers, and I'm pulling these 3, I'm going to pull 3 phrases here. One that says "Love this kid," one that says "Little superhero," a little superhero, and "King of Cute," because, oh man, he's king of cute. And you can tell by that grin on his face, if you can see that, oh my goodness, this guy is trouble, because he looks at you with those eyes and that smile, and oh, that's all I can do. Anyway, I'm loving how this is turning out. I'm loving the rainbow and the little pops of color. So now I'm adding in some stars here. These are chipboard stars, and those are also from the Little Dude, the chipboard stickers, that collection. And then I am pulling some actual stickers as well from that combo cardstock sticker collection. And I just realized that my blue star fell off, so I'll have to figure out where that went, because it seems to be AWOL at the moment. Okay, so I'm just thinking about what else I can add here. I'm going back to the sticker sheet and then deciding not to put that particular one there. And now I'm back to the puffy sticker sheet here. I forgot to glue this down, so I'm going to need to do that. And what I'm trying to do is just using those stars to just add pops of the colors that appear in the washi tape, at least the colors that I have available to me. I could have done that certainly with enamel dots, you know, scattering things around. But in this particular case, I chose the stickers from this collection just because it's what I had on hand. And this is a really great boys collection. It's really good for little boys and even older boys as well, but really geared more towards the little guys. So I've got the little gold star there, and then I'm going to add the chipboard star, that black chipboard star that I had moved back onto that sticker star there. And now I'm thinking about maybe putting something under that title, and the sticker sheet, that combo cardstock sticker sheet had these chevron arrows, and I kind of thought, you know, that would point towards the photo. There weren't enough of them, however. I think if there had been 2 more, then it would have made sense, but I had to put them too far apart to look even. So I decided not to use those. But then I found this arrow, and I liked that, and I also liked how that wasn't as dark, so it didn't call as much of your attention to it as the larger chevron arrows did. I really thought that was a good change there. All right, guys, so that is my layout. Here is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Again, don't forget to check out Rachel's video, and then I also have a playlist with our previous product placement videos in it, or at least mine in it as well too. Hope you guys are well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye.